All right, y'all, it's probably like a couple of days later, man. We're back at the garage, man. I forgot my camera when I went over to the Gabe's house, right? So we weren't able to weld the coilover back, but we was able to you know, fix the knuckle and stuff like that. And I ended up getting some other coilovers just for now. You know what I mean? That way, I can work my way up and get some BCs and some more better quality coilovers. I'm gonna show you those right now. Let me show you them real quick. All right, y'all. So we went ahead and painted them up. Don't worry about the paint on the rotors, bro. You know what I'm saying? Don't chew me up in the comments for that shit. It's okay, I'm gonna get new ones. And brake pads, by the way. But yeah, it's welded. You know, Gabe put a fat weld on it, made sure it penetrated. And for those in the comments from the last video, they're not stock. They were never stock knuckles, bro. You know what I'm saying? They were cut knuckles, you know what I'm saying? They just broke. I don't know why. Maybe the welds wasn't as good, but yeah, they're not stock. A lot of people, I got a few people in the comments on the last video saying, you know, thinking they were stock, but they weren't, bro. They're already cut. But the welds on there are good, both sides. So we're pretty much gonna go ahead and put the coilover back on. The new coilovers, oh, let me show you them hoes. They're just the fronts. You know what I'm saying? There's some Godspeed. They're pretty old, you know what I'm saying? The dude I bought them for, got them for a nifty price. You know what I'm saying? Nothing too expensive. You know, just to get back on the road for now, you know? Hopefully they don't ride too bad. He said they're pretty stiff, so that's a good thing, I guess. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and slap those back on real quick and test drive the car and see how they ride. And I'm gonna show you you guys the damage of the front bumper. I know y'all see it up there in the corner, and the damage of the car out in the sun when I pull the car out, you know what I'm saying, because it's kind of dark in my garage. So let's go ahead and slap these coilovers back on. I already adjusted them and everything to the ride height. We'll see more about the ride height once they're on the car, you know what I'm saying. Maybe I have to adjust it a little more, but as of right now, I adjusted them the best way I could. You dig what I'm saying? Let's put them on the car. All right, guys, so this is what the front bumper looks like after the event, man. Y'all tell me, is it worth saving? Do you think I can save this front bumper? It's gonna be a lot of fiberglass work, you know? A whole lot of fiberglass work. Yeah, so what happened was a dirt dropped and the bumper popped off or something like that, and then I ran it over, dragged it by the feet or two, and yeah, that's how it looks. Rear bumper is not too bad. Rear bumper don't look bad at all. But yeah, dude, I don't know. So we got the coilovers on right now, and I'm gonna tell you, it's super stiff. It's super stiff, but I mean, I guess it'll do for now. I mean, I can't complain, bro. You know what I mean? I'm gonna show you guys how it look, but it's gonna be windy, so excuse the wind, bro. But I'm gonna show you guys real quick. Hold on. The ride height ain't too bad. Ride height ain't bad at all, but I can literally bounce the car. Hold on. I can literally bounce the car with my hand. The front of the car is bouncy as fuck, man. So I already kind of know it's gonna ride a little bouncy, but I don't know, dude. I don't know. I'm gonna go drive it real quick, see how it really rides, but I already know off the rip it's gonna be bouncy. But the dude that sold me told me it's stiff. They're super stiff, so you know, can't complain. So let's go ride it real quick, and I'm gonna come back and show you guys, tell you guys how bad the stiffness is. What up, y'all? It's the next day, you know what I'm saying? We headed to Gabe's house. I want to get my InterCooler piping cleaned up and welded and looking all better and nice and all that. So we're gonna go to his house. He has a nice TIG welder, you know what I'm saying? Hey, it's a little chilly outside, you know what I'm saying? Winter is creeping up on us slowly but surely. You dig what I'm saying? But yeah, we get to finally test out the coilovers. I know they're a little stiff, but we're just gonna ride to Gabe's house. Meet me over there, you know what I'm saying? I'll be in about 5, 10, 15 minutes, you know what I'm saying? If y'all get there before me, just go ahead and say what's up to everybody and just chill until I get there, all right?
Control on it, closed all the way, 15 pounds. He did 3 clicks and went to 20.
Oh, hell no.
It took it, like his AFRs are still in like
It didn't take shit.
10s, 11s.
Hey, these boys in the car like this.
Felt fast?
That's pretty quick.
What's up, bro?
What's poppin'?
It's fucking just start raining, bro. This shit lame.
I didn't stay in it. As soon as I saw it spike up, I got off
Yeah,
it.
his AFR is
I
still
didn't
sitting
stay.
in like the 10s, 11s.
Yeah. No, the highest I got was like maybe like $4 grand.
Yeah.
I didn't get in it.
Should say whoop.
Yeah, just I saw the needle.
And it's about to start raining, y'all. This ain't
Oh
good.
shit.
What you got there?
She asleep right now.
You pregnant, baby?
Halloween was one hell of a night, man.
Is it under your hoodie or what the
Yeah,
fuck
it's
is
in my
that?
hoodie. My hoodie's tucked in. She's in there.
Nigga, can that dog breathe?
Yeah,
Oh, hey.
she gets cold, man.
She came up.
I ain't know. As soon as it went up, his nose went up with some air. Bro, you gonna suffocate that damn dog.
Yeah, man.
Is that your dog or
No, it's
stray?
my boss's dog. I'm babysitting.
Oh. Yeah, it's raining.
Are you pregnant?
Fucking a gulag over here.
Alright, got the intercooler popping off. Just mount it up. I want to put the intercooler as high as possible. Away from the ground. Some brackets. Real hard.
Oh, mate. Where's the ass? Piss off.
Shut up, bro. What up? Yo, so this is the homie Donnie's car. You know, follow his Instagram. So, I guess a little review. Tell us about it, man. What year is it?
2013, ZN6, FA20 Club, Turbo Kit.
Looks real clean. I like this shit right here. It's a little dark outside. I don't know. My camera's not really good in the dark, but yeah. Engine bay looks real clean. Turbo. E85, right?
Yep. On 12 pounds of boost.
Flex fuel.
Yep.
All right. What coilovers?
Custom VC Extreme Low with Swift Springs.
And this car is really fucking low.
Yep.
Oh, let me get it better. So what kind of wing is that, yo?
That's a Urez wing.
Whereas wing. I didn't
Yes.
like it at first, but
S14 Urez.
it looks real good now. Look how low this car is, bro. I don't know if you guys can see in the dark, but it's low. Real clean. Say it's a simple setup.
Yeah, it's simple. You know, kind of like OEM Plus type deal.
That's a body kit, right?
Yeah, it's got a Urez side skirts, TRD front lip, some carbon fiber.
Oh, yeah. What would you call these? I was about to call them canards. But
Yeah, they're like little fins from Ningun Performance.
got the fake gainer doors.
Yeah.
GK Tech.
Yeah, GK Tech.
Already know.
R32.
I want to get some for my car.
Yeah.
This car is dope, yo.
It's got the Urez
Oh,
triple
yeah.
duct.
Got some arrows, little arrow pieces. You can't really see it, man. It's dark, but they're like vents. It looks
Yeah.
dope.
I
Yeah.
guess
Let's see some interior. Let's look at the interior. Is it clean? Is it dirty?
It's alright.
Okay.
It's
It's dark, bro. You probably won't be able to see. Yeah, it's definitely dark. You got a light? Boy, that light is not bright. You see? Yeah. So it has a bucket seat. It's dark, yo. He just got some badass garage move power floor mats. Shout out to him because he gave me his old ones. I'll show you guys that in a minute. But yeah, the interior is kind of, it's pretty much stock besides the seats and steering wheel, stuff like that. This is his Instagram. Follow his Instagram. What kind of wheels are those, yo?
Those are SSR Gardemir.
Yeah, those are dope.
Yeah.
Big boy wheels.
Big boy wheels.
And put the little strobes on, man. You know what I'm saying? You gotta do that.
everyone's gonna DM me. How do you do that, bro?
Yeah. They got the little strobes on there. That's dope. Party lights. Is it in the rear too?
Yep.
Definitely party. Sam. Cool, man. Well, thank you for showing us your car.
Thank you for
The quickest review ever. It's pretty quick, man. I like it.
we'll do
You know?
right along soon.
Yeah, we'll do it right along when it's brighter outside, because you guys ain't gonna be able to see me in that damn car. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, Gabe is just welding up some stuff, welding up the piping. Homie Andrew's doing some suspension work. Once we get done, use the one if it's windy. But once we get done with the intercooler piping, we're gonna try to get my alignment as good as possible, because it's bad, it's dangerous the way I'm driving it right now, because it don't feel right. You know what I mean? I know I gotta adjust some caster.
Yeah, I got it.
I gotta adjust some caster on it, and then do some toe alignment. Once again, I've been doing it for a long time. But now that I got help, you know what I'm saying, we'll get it right. We'll get it close as possible till I can get to a alignment shop, and we'll go from there. So let's get this intercooler piping welded up, and I'll show you guys when it's done. All right, guys, so we're back at the house. You know what I'm saying? It's the next day. We got a lot of shit done. You know what I'm saying? As far as like the intercooler piping and shit like that, like the intercooler. Let me show y'all real quick. So we made brackets right here. It's intercooler sturdy. I used to have it just like right here. Let me show y'all real quick. So we got this shit welded right here. You know what I'm saying? This is the only coupler on this side, and we didn't get the weld yet. And then this popped off. I just forgot to tighten this up. So it's just two couplers on this side, two couplers on this side. You know what I'm saying? They welded it up real nice. You know what I'm saying? So I don't have to worry about any couplers or anything like that. I just wanted to show you guys that real quick. We're gonna see you guys in the house because it's cold as fuck outside. All right, man, appreciate y'all for tuning in for this video, man. You know what I'm saying? It was something light, got a lot of work done. You know, it's just the little things like that. You dig what I'm saying? Be sure to hit that subscribe button for more content like that, man. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.